All I hear is, "Are you okay?" "Yep, I'm good. Thanks." And you can hear the kids in the back of the truck laughing while my ass is up in the air. So a lot of people when I was staying in Thunder Bay told me about this falls we're about to see, Kakabeka Falls. Pretty much everybody I met, make sure you see Kakabeka, make sure you see Kakabeka, as I was leaving. So I'm excited to see this. I don't know if it's gonna be a huge waterfalls or something small, but we'll find out in a minute. Alright, well from this lookout point we can't see the falls yet, but it is a beautiful view. I can hear the falls coming from over here on the right somewhere, so we'll go see it momentarily. So here it is, Kakabeka Falls. That is definitely a super nice falls. I'm liking that. I'm gonna head over to the bridge. There's a walking bridge that goes to the other side, to the campground, and I can see the falls from over there. There's the falls there. This is like a mini version of Niagara Falls, I must admit. It's pretty high and pretty hard. Let's go see what it looks like from the campground side over here. I think this is the nicer side over here. I think it's more beautiful over here. Wow. So after Kakabeka Falls, I continued on the highway I was on, and it comes to a split, Highway 17, all the way up to like Dryden and Kenora, or Highway 11, which goes to Fort Francis and up to Kenora. So I'm taking Highway 11. Everybody in Thunder Bay was telling me it's more scenic. I just went through a time zone, so it went from 7:30 p.m. boop to 6:30, so that's my first time zone across Canada. And I'm feeling kind of stinky because it was hot today, so I'm like, I need to find a place to swim. And boom, when I was going down the highway, I found this. Take a look. It's my own private beach. It's so quiet. I think I'm gonna go for a skinny dip. So yeah, I'd like to share this story with you. This is a good one. So I'm in this little town, don't know what it's called, and as you can see, I parked the van. I decided to lay my little mat down, do a little bit of stretching, because I've been driving a lot, stretching my neck and stretching my nipples and stretching everything. And I'm down on my little mat here. Let's see if I can do this. All right, let me just set my camera down here and give you kind of a rough idea. Now, I don't know anything about yoga, so I don't know what kind of position I was in. Sort of like a upward dog or a downward cat or something. So I've got my head stuck on my crotch and I've got my left ear up against my testicle and I'm in some kind of messed up position, and a truck pulls up right here, like right where the camera is, right when I got my eyeball up against my testicle, kind of like this. I don't know what I'm doing. All I hear is, "Are you okay?" "Yep, I'm good, thanks." And you can hear the kids in the back of the truck laughing while my ass is up in the air. So cute little town, nice of them to check in on me, but I got a van here, I got the door open, I got a mat here, I'm down here doing my stretches. Now if it looks like I'm dead, thanks for checking in, but doesn't this kind of look like I'm stretching? Thanks to the small town people for checking in on me, make sure I'm okay. Somebody's watching me film this. So I stopped at a tiny town called Atikokan, where I spent the night last night. And I did my stretching this morning, my workout. And I'm going down now to see this little place. It's called Little Falls. So I'm assuming there's a Little Falls. There it is. Oh, it's so little. This is a very cute area. Tiny little hiking path. Goes over the bridge. Around here to a little lookout point. And then, Little Falls. So I'm on Highway 11. I left Thunder Bay 2 days ago and I'm working my way slowly to the city of Kenora, stopping at Fort Frances on the way. I decided to pull over on the highway here because I'd like to show you a sign, a First Nation sign of an area that I'm in now, to see if you can figure out what the hell that says. Let's zoom in, take a moment. Nige gon si minikaning. Wow. Well, it's about 7 p.m. I've been on the road for many hours. It's time to stop by this little lake, have some food, do a workout, do a little bit of stretching because I'm stiff, and let the van cool down. There's a nice cool breeze, so I popped the hood to cool her down a little bit quicker. Alright, I'm approaching an area on my map where there's a giant lake to the right. There it is. called Rainey Lake. It's Rainey Lake to the right, and it's Minnesota, USA to the left. So this road runs right between this lake. So over there is United States of America, Minnesota. And over here is Rainey Lake, province of Ontario. And what's the first thing you see when you're approaching a small town? A bingo palace, of course. Ah, Canada. Welcome to the town of Fort Frances, population 8,000. It's much bigger than I thought. So that's one of the tiny beaches here in Fort Frances. And way over here, this is the town. I will head over there momentarily. Way over there is Minnesota, USA. And the music you're listening to is a hotel over here. So this gives you an idea of how close we are. I'm in Fort Frances on the Ontario side, and right there, whoop, is Minnesota, USA. You could swim over there in 20 minutes. They've closed the lookout tower because of COVID. This guy's trying to scare the geese away. I don't know why. They're just eating.